In this video, I'm going to show you how to view statements and transactions on your Ladbrokes app on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, so what we first want to do is open up your Ladbrokes app on your mobile device as you normally would. Make sure you're on the home page and you are logged in. From here, you want to click onto More on the bottom right-hand corner of the page. And now scroll up or scroll down and look for My Account. So go ahead and tap on My Account. Now from here, under Banking and Transactions, you'll see Statements and Transactions. So go ahead and click onto that. And now under here, you got Transactions and Activity. So you can click on both of these. So if you want to download a statement from a particular month, so if I want to download November, I'm going to click November. And now I'm going to, as you can see, I've made no transactions. So if you haven't made any transactions in that month, you obviously can't download that statement. So just choose which month you want to view your statements and transactions. And you can also request an annual transaction here by tapping on it. And then look down below and then request transaction. So you can generate a transaction list that details specific account activity in a 12-month period. This information contained in your transaction list includes transactions, current balance from day of request, and net win-loss outcome. So yeah, if you want to request a transaction, go ahead and click on request transaction.